Hello guys, I have new vlogs again. This is how to show trust to other people. There, you've seen my channels list guys. I'm showing it to you guys to add them. We should help each other, we should love each other. We created YouTube not to be a selfish. Bago kasi yung palinis ko ng ipin. Not to be a selfish. Reason why I created YT and I have lots of phones. I'm watching Syrian Wanderer. This is my other accounts. If you see that somebody added you na they have no names, those are my other phones. The other one is Lobat. They gave me these phones because they know my intentions to create YT. My salary is too small. And most of us here in Baguio, we have a lot of what we call, taga Baguio po rin to. What we call 10% of my salary, I'm sharing this to PWDs. Reason why I'm helping them, because they're not us. Now we can work. We have complete hands, eyes. I have mothers who single with special child. I don't ask help to anyone, even my parents. I don't ask them. I don't even stay with them. Reason why I don't stay with them, it's because I want to show my mom na even though I'm not with her, at least she's not I'm not her burden. That I want to leave the the thinking of Filipino that if you're a Filipino, you should stay with your mom until you grow old with kids. No, I want to show my kids that they should learn how to stand on their own, should learn how to be themselves, learn how to earn money. Guys, this is how I gain respect and love to my co-YT friends. Kai vlogs, check them please. I'm showing you their faces as their names for you to be aware that I treat them as my friends and family members. I comments respect with respect. I've seen people unsub me, but it's okay. I still watch you, and I see people naman that they really watch my videos, and thank you so much. This is how you gain trust. Be respectful. And also, please don't unsub. It hurts na, nakakalamang kayo. Yes, you unsub them. You're happy, right? They can see you because you have no channels list. But God is watching us, man. God is watching us. Right? And also, please be respectful. I've seen a lot. I've seen no views. And then there's what we call comments. And he has 300 or 9, and the other one is 900 subscribers. That's why I message, watch first before you comments, so that the owner should know what is really going on. Comments is not important. The important thing is you're watching them. You can see them. Guys, check my channels list. I treat them as my friends, and I always watch them. No matter what will happen. If you have no time just like me, go to subscriptions here and then go to unwatch. There. Go to unwatch. You will see I haven't watched these friends of mine. See? I will watch them later. There. Okay? Love you guys. Peace, love, and respect one another. Thank you. These phones are actually hindi ko to binili. This was just given by us. They trust us that we will use it for good. And thank you so much, guys. Love you all.